Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, today we will start with vowel O words. So, we have already done our vowel A, E, I words, and today we will start with vowel O words. So, our first vowel word is ob words. O, B. This is O, and the sound of O is O. And this is B, and the sound of B is B. So this is O and this is B. So when O and B come close together, it will become ob. It will become ob. Speak with me. O, B, ob. O, B, ob. So this is ob. Now we will study some words that ends with ob. So it is on your page number 11 phonics book. So let's read with me. O, B, ob. So first word is, this is C, and the sound of C is K. The sound of C is K. So this is K, this is ob, it will become cob. This is cob, and cob means a small round loaf of bread. Okay, next is job. J, the sound of J is J. J. So J, of, job. And job is the work that a person does to earn money. So this is job. Next is mob. M, this is M, and the sound of M is M. Ob, mob. Ob, mob. So this is M, and the sound of M is M. Ob, mob. And what is mob? Mob is a large crowd of people. It is the large crowd of people. Next is r, ob, rob. This is R, and the sound of R is r. So r, ob, rob. And what is rob? To take money or anything from someone by force. Okay. Next is sob. Ob, sob. This is S, and the sound of S is S. So S, ob, sob. Okay, kids? So let's revise one more time. Ob words. K, ob, cob. K, ob, cob. J, ob, job. M, ob, mob. R, ob, rob. S, ob, sob. Okay? Now I will show you with the help of these letters. So kids, this is ob. This is what? Ob. Now if I will add s to it, I will add s, it will become sob. It will become sob. S, ob, sob. Okay, and you all know the meaning of sob. Sob meaning to cry in a noisy way. What is the meaning of sob? The meaning of sob is to cry in a noisy way. So, ob, sob. Now, if I'll remove s and if I'll add r to it, it will become rob. R, ob, rob. R, ob, rob. Now, remove r and add m. It will become mob. Ob, mob. Ob, mob. Now remove M and add K to it. It will become K, ob, cob. K, ob, cob. Now remove this K and add J. J. It will become job. J, ob, job. J, ob, job. Okay, so we will revise it one more time. Okay, kids? Okay, so this is job. J, ob, job. R, ob, rob. R, ob, rob. S, ob, sob. S, ob, sob. Now K, K, ob, cob. Now ob, mob. This is mob. Okay, so kids, these are the words that you have to write in your notebook. So these are all ob words. These are all ob words. These are the words that ends with ob. Now this is your English notebook. Put the heading on the top, ob words. Put the heading on the top, ob words. Okay. Now we will write in our notebook. So write down the date. Today is 24th August. Which month is going on? August. And put the heading on the top, ob words. Okay. Now number 1. So number 1 is cob. So k plus ob is equal to cob. And cob is what? A small round loaf of bread. Small round loaf of bread. So like this is a loaf of bread. It is a round loaf of bread. Okay. So this is cob. Now let's write number 2. Number 2 is job. J plus ob is equals to job. And job, you all know, it is the work that a person does to earn money. So to earn money, the work that a person does is called a job. Like my friend got a job in a company. So that is job. Okay. Number 3 is mob. Ob is equal to mob. And mob is what? A large crowd of people. Like the malls are always mobbed on Sundays. So mob meaning a large crowd of people. So the malls are always mobbed on Sundays. So large crowd of people, you can make a large number of people over here for better understanding. Because the meaning of mob is a large crowd of people. Number 4. Rob. R plus ob is equal to rob. R plus ob is equal to rob. And rob, you all know, is to take money or anything from someone by force. Okay. So rob means to take money or something from someone by force. Like a man robbed the store last night. Okay. Like a man robbed the store last night. So let's try to make a picture of a robber. Okay, so this way you have to make it yourself. So this is a picture of a robber. Okay, now next, number 5. Now number 5 is sob. 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 And the meaning of sob is sob, to cry in a noisy way, taking in deep breath. Okay, so sob is to cry in a noisy way, taking in deep breath. Like Rita is sobbing because she had broken her toy. Rita is sobbing because she had broken her toy. Now let's make a face here. Okay. So this is sob. Okay. So kids, this way you have to do these words in your notebook, and do read these words from your book, page number 11, phonics book, and write these words with their pictures in your notebook. So I am repeating again. Let's repeat it again. This is ob. Okay. This is ob. So see the number 1. cob. This is cob. Next is what? Job. Next is job. Then mob. This is mob. Then rob. So this is rob. Then sob. And this is sob, sob. So kids, do these words in your notebook and read these words from your book as well. Do the work and share the work with me. Take care, bye bye, and we will meet soon again in our next class. Bye kids.